Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can copy messenger profile link. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So sometimes you have to share your messenger profile with anyone. You can share it on Fiverr or any other platform. So to do that, you need to copy your profile link, messenger profile link. So how you can do it, I'm going to teach you a very effective way. So first thing first, just go to your messenger app and then log in with your messenger account or your Facebook account. You can use anything. And then once you're over here, just go to this three dot option and go to settings. Once you are over here, go a bit down until you find this username option. You see this username option just below active status. Just go over here and all the way down you'll be having option which says copy link. Just press on it and then your link will be copied and you can share it. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.